In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in Constant Contact. Creating an engaging and visually appealing email layout often involves wrapping text around your images. This simple technique can significantly enhance your reader's experience by providing a strong visual clue relating to the content of your text. A well-balanced text-to-image ratio can really maximize the effect, making it look cohesive and professional. If your template doesn't look quite as you envisioned, consider tweaking the amount of text or adjusting the size of your image. You may also want to experiment with different layouts until you find that perfect fit. Let's walk through the process of wrapping text around an image together. The first thing you need to do is insert the desired image within a text block in your email template. If your template doesn't already contain a text block where you want your image, you'll need to add one. You can use the guideline provided to position it correctly within your design. Next, you'll need to incorporate your image. To do this, navigate to the Images tab and grab the image you'd like to use. You could also select an image placeholder from the Build tab. Drag this selection into your chosen text block. You'll notice as you move the image around in the text block, a pink box appears. This handy guide aids you in accurately positioning the image either on the right or the left side of your text. Once you have your image in the desired position, you can just release the mouse button and drop your image into place. Keep in mind, though, that each text block can only contain one image, so ensure the image you choose will serve its purpose well within its text block. An important note here is if you see a pink guideline next to the text block instead of a pink box. This indicates that inserting the image is creating a new column rather than wrapping the text. Now it's time to make adjustments to better wrap the text around your image. You can do this by using the drag handle on your image to decrease its size until you achieve the desired effect. Not only does reducing the image size enhance the wrapping effect, but adding more text to the block can help make the wrapping visually more impactful too. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully wrapped text around an image within your Constant Contact email, creating a more appealing and professional layout. Play around with the balance of text and images until you're satisfied with the overall look. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing!